Hey guys, it's about 4 o'clock in the morning here, and so I'm kind of talking quiet. I'm going to make some Paw Paw's wine, and a special thanks to Wisconsin Greg, and he's kind of the one that turned me onto this, and led me to Paw Paw's recipe here, so we're going to give it a shot. And I'm using 100% grape juice here, and then this is 2 quarts. So for every 1 quart, half of this I'm gonna use 1 cup of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of this regular yeast here. So we got 2 quarts, so I'll pour some off, and then that way my mixture's correct. I'm actually gonna use this for a 3rd bottle, and then so I'm gonna make 3 batches. Let's give it a shot. Alright, so each of these is 2 quarts. So I'm actually going to make a total of 4 quarts of wine. So it's going to be 4 cups of sugar total, 4 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. Okay, so I'm going to make this real easy. Each one of these is going to get 1 quart in them. So 1, 1, 1, 1. So I'm just going to split these 2 in half and fill it up to the 1 quart line. There's my 1 quart mark right on these. Glass isn't dirty, it's just got like a weird sheen on it from the dishwasher. See how clean that one is? They've both been in the dishwasher. That one just looks a little funny. Now, each of these is going to get 1 cup of sugar. This is just regular granulated sugar you get from the store. Alright, I actually made a funnel out of paper here. There we go. Get yourself a funnel. This will be easier. Alright, now what I'm going to do, the plan is to get this stuff back in here, leave a little headspace and the remainder of it in here. But I'm going to need to stir these 2 up because the sugar's kind of settled on the bottom before I pour it back in here. I'm going to stir these 2 up. I'll stir these up real good, and as you can see, there's still quite a bit of sugar in there. And then I'll pour it back in here, like I said. Alright, I got both of these stirred up. Now I'm just going to pour it back in here carefully. What I'm going to do once these things get them where I want them, to shake them up real good. I need to overfill them. I'll leave some room there. Over here. Alright, now what we're going to do is crank the caps down on these and shake them up. Crank them down real good. Now, I'm just going to shake the heck out of them. See all that sugar in the bottom? Let's keep going. Shaking the heck out of it. This one's still tight. I'm gonna make sure there's no sugar in there. You can't overshake these things. So then what you do is you take the lid and like Wisconsin Greg here tells you. See how you see that cap moving? It's a little bit tighter. It's when it's barely moving. This will keep the bugs out. That's what your goal is there. Okay, but it'll still allow it to vent. Now, do the same thing with this one and this one. And then I'm gonna write the dates on top of here, today's date, and they should be ready in about 30 days according to these guys, so we'll see. All right, if you haven't checked out Paw Paw's channel, it's Doinitcheap, check that out, and also check out Wisconsin Grape. He's got some good stuff on there. All right, thanks guys. All right, here's my storage area. I'm gonna go ahead and write the date on here. Still got my cap where it should be. There's the date on there. It is tasting time. It's been darn near close to 30 days. This is the one I made with like the baker's yeast, and this is the one I made with that that fancy yeast. So we're gonna see which one tastes better. Let's give it a shot. You know, it looks the same as far as looking at it. I don't think you'd notice the difference grape juice, but let's give this just a little shot. See what it tastes like. Oh yeah, that looks different than grape juice. Let's try that. Oh, it smells winey. Oh, that's good. That's sweet. Let's try the other one. Give this one a shot here. This is the one I made with the fancy yeast. It's got a little bit of a darker color to it now. Okay, a little bit stronger of a smell. A little more of a, yeah, a little more of a red wine kind of smell. Let's give it a shot. That's a little smoother. Yeah, that's good. All right, Paw Paw's wine making recipe. Thanks for watching, you guys. This works good. It's got a little kick to it too. You'll like it. Recommend you try it. Cheap it. It's cheap too. All right, thanks for watching.